Have you ever been at a friend's house or maybe at a dinner party or in a restaurant and there is a piano standing in the corner? Everyone's talking, laughing, and then someone suddenly says, "Wait, don't you play piano? Come on, play us something." And in that moment, your mind goes blank and you don't know what to play. You start to freeze. Maybe you even wish you could just disappear or hiding under the piano bench. And I know that feeling so well because it happened to me so many times. But today I will show you one simple thing you can play anytime, even when you feel nervous or unsure, so that you are not the one who has to say, "Oh, I can't play anything because my sheet music is at home." So let's go step by step. I will show you how to turn one simple chord into a beautiful piece you can always play with confidence. But first, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and you won't miss future lessons like this one. Let's start with one simple chord, the C major triad. But now we will take the top note and put it one octave lower. Like this, we are getting the second inversion of C major, and this is what we need today. And now we are going to turn this one chord into something flowing and beautiful. Instead of playing all three notes at the same time, we will break it up. We will play top, bottom, middle, bottom, and again top, bottom, middle, bottom. So try this out a few times with me together, that you get really used to this beautiful broken chord pattern. And when you feel safe, then we add our left hand and we start with playing the octave on the C. Okay, and now here comes the trick. Now we are going with our left hand, 2 white keys down to the A, but in the right hand we keep doing the same. Okay, and now we are going 2 white keys down to the F, and in the right hand we keep doing the same. And now we go 1 white key up with our left hand, and in the right hand I will show you something. There we are not doing the same. We are not going to play our same pattern, because the C and the G doesn't sound so good together. This because instead of the C, we will replace the C with the B. So we play these 3 notes and we are playing the same pattern. Top, bottom, middle, bottom. Top, bottom, middle, bottom. Okay, and like this sounds so beautiful. And then we are starting again on C major. Go 2 white keys down with the left hand. 2 white keys down with the left hand. And now in the right hand we replace the C with the B. Okay, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and B and 3 and 4 and with this little trick you can already play something that sounds very beautiful and advanced, but this is only the first step you can do now. And by the way, you can download the full sheet music for this tutorial for free. Just click the link below in the video description and you will get everything written out so that you can practice more easily later. And I will show you 2 beautiful variations now. So let's take it one step further and add a touch of magic. We will add a 4th note between the C and the E. Look, we will fill now this little gap with the ring finger. This is a C add 9 chord here, and it always creates that warm, cozy sound. And this is the shape we will use now. You are starting the pattern now from the top to the bottom, then ring finger, then back to the top, and then the middle finger. Okay, like this. And we are going to play this pattern over the first 3 bars. That means 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now we take the same pattern, but we will replace the C with the B again, okay? Okay, all right, now together with the left hand. Like this we are getting a new sound, and I think this almost sounds like something you can hear in a movie, right? Now I have another idea to get another sound and to add another color. Now we will bring in the F in our pattern. And now the pattern goes like this. We are starting with our pinky, thumb, now to the F, thumb, back to the top note, and then to the C, to the middle finger, like this. Have a look at my pinky. It's wandering up and down again, and then the middle finger. Okay, so here we also play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and for the first bar, same thing with the second bar, third bar, and now we also have to replace the C with the B in the last bar, like this. Okay, be careful, like this. So let's add the left hand together. Attention, go to the B, and then the whole thing starts from the beginning again and again. You can play this in a nice loop. And now you have 3 ways you can play or combine these little melodies. And when you want to come to an end, then you just go back to the C major chord. Play the C major, try it in the first inversion, for example, when you are coming from the last bar. Yeah, like this. And you can play this also like this, that you are playing a little glissando like this. But for this you really have to be familiar with the chord shapes of the inversions. So now let's repeat one last time all 3 parts together. We start with pattern 1, then we go to pattern 2 with the D in it. This was the C add 9, and now we bring in the F with the pinky. And now we will add the beautiful ending. And you know what? This is just one example of what's possible when you get familiar with playing chords and knowing a bit about the theory behind it, that you really know what you are doing there and why it sounds that good. And that's why I always say chords are the key to freedom at the piano. And in my course Modern Piano 1, I walk you through my full step-by-step system for learning to play pop-style piano without sheet music, and you will learn exactly how to build beautiful patterns like this. So check out the link below to get more information about the course. And if you want to get more variation and if you have fear to run out of ideas, then you can repeat everything in the upper octaves that you are maybe starting here. Yeah? And like this, it gets another touch, okay? Or maybe just another octave higher. So the next time someone says, "Can you play something for us?" you will be ready. You can start with just one chord and turn it into a piece that sounds like it came straight from the heart. And if you want to go further, get the free sheet music below and definitely check out my full online course, Modern Piano 1. And if you like this tutorial, I highly recommend to watch this video next, because in this tutorial I will show you 3 essential arpeggio patterns that every piano player should know. They are so easy to learn and will turn simple chords into flowing soundtrack-like music. So see you there!